What's Jonkin' Jonkers?
Yo, what's Jonkin' Jonkers? It's me, Jonk.
This is just gonna be brain rot. Yeah.
I love gambling.
This is gonna put us at like
Plus 5 million.
Yeah, this will be, by the end of these, I'll have opened like 550 so far. So, I guess, oh shit, there's a perfecto at the end there. I guess the goal is probably just to like get 1,000, fill up one.
Yeah, it's future day goal.
True. Oh, K's. Oh, K's. Oh, Child King. Probably just like fill up one storage container and see how much profit. I say profit because we're gonna make profit.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, how much profit we made. Gotten pretty lucky so far. We're so up right now, but that's not gonna help.
Gamer Legion.
Oh, the Gamer Legion is actually featured on a player's Deagle recently.
True.
I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with Counter-Strike news.
It's important enough to be featured twice.
Yeah. Not only did people recognize his Deagle, but they recognized it so much he got banned from competitive play for 2 weeks.
True. Yeah, but he didn't know, guys.
He didn't know, because it was on the other hand, and he's European.
You couldn't tell that those stickers were obviously trying to spell something out.
No. No. He just likes Nemega, Gamer Legion, Apex. Who else is it? Is it Navi?
There's a Navi.
Yeah.
True. I love this team too.
Dude, I feel like just saying Nemega is already like too much. You want to name my team that? This is so entertaining, guys. 0 T rounds. Yo, that's actually a decent signature. It's probably worth like $1 though. I don't know. So I think my best sticker so far is $12, which is like pretty good. That pays for like 50 capsules.
True.
So once the discounted prices start hitting the market, that's gonna hurt a lot. But I mean, they already are, but
yeah,
it's okay.
Don't even worry about it.
Yeah. You guys should buy specifically the ones that we unbox at like a high price.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like whatever this is worth $10. Someone needs to buy my susp for $10. Wait,
Sure.
sus? I need to make an Among Us craft for that.
True.
True. Have we gotten a single purple yet? I don't think so. Oh, we have. Please, gold. Please. I think this. Oh, I think the. Oh, Child King.
I love children.
How much is that? Glitter. 89 cents.
Yo!
For glitter. Dude, the gold's 40 bucks.
Dude, wait, bro, I bought 2 Child King glitters. I bought them for 40 cents each.
Damn. The gold is $41.
Yeah.
Probably like the second or third best in this case. I kind of, okay. People are doing a certain child craft. I want to get one of those and do a craft with King. Do like King Nap or something.
True.
Or King Boombo 4K. Oh, Felp gold. Actually, who is Felp?
I don't even know. I don't
What
know
the
half
hell?
These players. Half these players aren't real.
How much would that gold? Yeah, $8 for
I
that
think a lot of
gold.
them are in this season.
True. I think all of them are. I think long run actually these stickers are going to be worth more just because there's going to be less of them opened. But that's also because I don't know any of these players.
True.
I guess like maybe the Fear ones. I think this was Fear's first major. But I don't know. I just want the Sex gold. And the Heavy God gold. I think I have an exit gold. I have a drop. Oh.
This one's a winner.
This one is surely a winner. Oh, it's a winner!
How much?
I don't know. Here, let me check it. Drop.
40 cents.
I got a drop gold yesterday. $2.
Dang.
That's 8 capsules. I have the gold too, which is $10. I think it's because any name that's a word probably is gonna be worth more. Like law. Just because you can make actual crafts. Safi. This is definitely the worst of the 3 capsules. So you guys should not open this one at all, and like don't bring more skins from this into the market at all.
Yeah.
Like we should limit the amount of skins of these that are in the market to mainly my inventory.
Absolutely.
Oh. Why are all of the rear Adam stickers good?
Because Chinese players like, or Chinese players.
I guess. Fear. Fear glitter, surely. 10 cents. Alright, let's go. I love fear.
China reference.
True. Is fear Chinese? Jambo! Jambo. What, the Chinese company?
10 cent. They own like, I think they own like most of Supercell.
Yeah. Jambo, hollow, $1.68.
Fuck yes!
Yeah. Schlackcraft. What's up, Schlag? It's me, Schlag. Child King. Dude, maybe if I can get a sex gold, he'll put it on his dick, gun.
For child dick sex?
Well, let's simmer down with that one. We're just gonna go right past that. No.
You can make that craft. That's a craft you can make in that game. It's not even that expensive.
Yeah, I'm sure some people are doing it.
I should do that.
You should not do that. You should not do that. Sex! How much?
Wait.
How much is the sex? It was a paper, but still. Sex paper's $1.
Holy shit, the cheapest dick paper on this Steam market is $19.
Dude, the base sex sticker's $1.
Dang. I unboxed one of those and I sold it really early.
Yeah.
And I like did not get any profit at all for it. That sucks.
True. Vexite, that's not the one I wanted, but still. How much is that? $264. That's 10 cases.
Yeah, I'm not even just trying to take that.
Yeah, let's not do that actually. Do not do that. Can we get something good, please? Hello?
Fuck!
Rock glitter, please. Can we get anything good, please? Hello?
Bro, you can't speed open. Speed open.
Is it fucking
This one's the
contenders
gold.
though? Surely.
This one's the gold.
This one's the gold.
You can't speed open the gold.
Yeah, this one's the gold. Gold. Oh, no way. That's what I'm saying.
Bro.
Whose signature is that? Oh, his name's actually No Way. Damn, that's crazy. Sex glitter. That's like $2, I think. Wait. That's $2.79 for a glitter. That pays for 11 capsules. You're so up. Please, sex gold. Ins, I don't care. No. Sex gold. Oh. Sex. No. Oh, it was right next to the sex hollow. Sex hollow is $20.
They actually scam them.
They are. All we need is a sex gold. Oh, who the fuck is that? Axile? I mean, he's decent. It's probably like $1.
$2.
19. Okay.
Fuck.
So after, it's probably still gonna be like $10 after the collapse. It's not that bad. That's our best pull so far. $19. Thank you, Axile. Sucks. Alright, we have 3 chances left for the sex gold. I don't think. Oh, Jibba. How much is that?
5 million.
30 cents. It's $11? What the hell? Who's Jibba? Alright. Save. I called him Safi earlier. Last one. Let's go. Heavy God. Heavy God. Heavy God. Okay. I think Twists is the best thing we can get from this one.
True.
He also have the German super team in here too.
Yeah.
Yeah. True. I just missed out on a Crimbo Gold, so seems like they're inferior actually.
True.
True. That's too far.
Oh!
Ooh, Lux. Gold, 9. Oh, isn't he gone?
I think so.
Oh, him or Floppy? Big U0. Okay. Me when I keep my worst player. And Floppy, there's Floppy!
Oh.
Let's go! I love, whatever their team is, Complexity.
True.
Oh, I missed out on the Kekindar. Zeno.
Yo, go.
Bro, how much is the Kekindar Gold?
Free.
$25. Damn. Yeah, free.
He's like not on my team anymore.
Yeah, he's probably not gonna be in a major again.
Yeah. Here's the one.
True. Sorry, Ekindar, but you did cost my team a major, so really not that sorry. Nah. Twist is expensive. I think that pays back a case.
Yeah, I wanted to get like a twist hollow for my AK, and I'm like, no, those are way too fucking low.
1170.
That one looks good.
Yeah, this one hollow is 1173. So please one of those that pays back like 40 capsules. I mean, okay, the one gold I already got pays back 80 capsules almost. So I'm not complaining. But I am, and I want more.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, please, right now. Right now.
Dude, you take gold.
Please, Stewie.
Or Shroud. Dude, a Shroud gold.
Oh,
would be
body.
so sick.
Yeah,
Holy shit,
from this. Dude, people were making so much fun of Shroud on Twitter recently.
dude, did you see he played a charity game to do season 5 to do the other day?
He did.
Yeah, and they first of all Shroud got a 8.
Yeah.
And then also they like had emotes like if you go to the emoting, that's what I want right now. So
Skadoodle was featured on the Sparkles video today that he posted.
featured on it though. I saw the video.
Yeah, he was in it. A clip of his was featured when he was on a team that was fixing matches to make money.
Yeah. Also,
Let's go, Skadoodle.
It was literally like proven that Skadoodle was also in on that, and that the only reason he didn't get banned was because like gambling sites that like Power used to like give the skins to their pro players, they didn't have enough. They weren't able to like deposit into Skadoodle's account right away. They had to, like wait a couple days to do it because they didn't have enough skins.
Yeah.
And then like it got proven that they were cheating between them, so then Skadoodle didn't accept them, and then he didn't get banned.
Then he won a major.
Yeah.
You and I get no consequences for my actions.
I mean, to be honest, all of them, they shouldn't have gotten banned for 10 years.
Yeah.
Like maybe a 2-year ban, maybe.
I mean, in any sport, they would be banned for life. So,
Yeah.
dude, an actual dry streak. What the hell? Please, gold. Gold. No. I just need a twist gold.
Dude, simple gold.
Yeah, simple gold. Liquid simple gold.
Dude, give me a Kenny S hollow right here. That'd be worth so much.
Yeah. Give me an I by Power hollow.
Dude, please, flush a gold.
Give me a
gold.
Give me a Skadoodle I by Power hollow.
Yeah.
How much is Fallen worth? Does he have like
I think this
fanboys?
is kind of expensive. Cause I was gonna buy some Fallen stickers and I only bought one because they're really expensive.
Fallen hollow is $10.
Yeah, with like his Copenhagen 2024 paper, so his paper from the last major is 7 cents, so it's twice the amount of money.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shanghai paper is 18 cents.
Dude, we just need profit. Like,
Please?
please, actually, please. It's not where we need golds. Gold.
Please?
Please, surely. That's not a gold. Where are all the golds at? Alright, now we do one.
Please.
We have to get Floppy out of the way. Missed out on a cello. Please. Dude, we deserve this. Yeah, Kekindar, are you kidding me? True. We deserve the big win more than any other individual. There should just be a money printer for us, and it's not. $9.10. Please, is that with anything? Please, please. $9.10 glitter. 50 cents.
Yeah.
Ultimate. Blitz.
I thought that was a gold, but it's just the Mongol.
Yeah, the Mongol.
True, Mongoloid.
True. They should, yeah. Oh, Big Uzera. Pink. Yeah, there's actually going to be a Mongols Academy team coming out. I don't know if you, oh my god, 75 cents. I don't know if you guys know that. It's called the Mongoloids. Yeah, I should look it up.
Sure.
A Liege Gold just passed by. I'm gonna get a Mizzino. Oh my god, please. Anything good from this. Anything. Please. We got 4 more challengers. No gold from the challengers.
Please.
Please?
Statistically, we should be getting at least 2 golds from each set.
Yeah, from each capsule.
Yeah.
Please. Gah.
Last one.
Last one.
We got this. Last
Surely.
pack here.
A liege. Oh my
Fuck!
god. Gah! Alright, donk gold. It's statistically unlikely that we already haven't gotten a donk gold yet.
I don't think that's true.
No, it is. We should have gotten like 6 or 7 by now. Yo, Hunter, I love Hunter. I got a Hunter gold and it's worth like $2.
Yeah, off the team.
True.
No way they booted fucking Hooksy before they booted Hunter.
No way they got snacks before they booted Hunter.
No way they let Nexa on the team.
Yeah.
Like, ever.
Oh, I love these stickers.
True.
All of the ones that I've been getting.
I'm so happy with these, I might not even sell them.
Yeah.
I might just keep them all.
I'll have to keep most of them.
Yeah, true.
It's not really going to be an option.
Yeah, I've stickers from the Pairs major that I still haven't been able to sell.
Yeah. No, don't paper. Please don't gold. It's so close. I'm about to get it if I just open some more. Just remember, if you keep opening cases, eventually you'll get the big win.
Yeah.
That's just statistics.
It is.
Please, don't gold. Please. Oh my god. I just missed out on 2 golds.
This one better have 3 golds in it at least.
At least. Oh my god. It's like they don't want me to win. It costs them nothing to give me a gold. This isn't a gambling site. They actually gain money for giving me a gold.
Yo, Jimmy!
Jimmy.
Mr. Beast!
You and I signed on to a team and then like less
You and I
than
hold
it
the
was.
Squid Games in real life.
True.
With real people.
True.
With real emotions.
Beast games. One club.
Me when I make the game from a show that was supposed to be like showing the like horrors and like corruption that capitalism causes, and I just make it in real life. So I think that would be awesome.
Yeah, I make it funny and wholesome.
Yeah.
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast!
Mr. Breast. Let's go.
That's right, we're becoming a political channel now.
We are, yeah.
And if you're wondering what our views are, it's whatever
Sleep
views
deprived.
you align with.
Yeah. So whatever views will give us the most money.
Yeah.
Zonte
You
Salo,
guys-
30 cents.
You guys can subscribe because you can know whatever your political affiliations are.
35 cents for a hollow.
Agree.
True, actually. As long as you
From a hollow for a
watch
bigger
us.
one.
Yeah. 35 cents. That's the cheapest hollow I've seen so far of any one that I've unboxed. Dude, where are the golds at?
Obama gold.
Yeah.
Dude,
Mobamba.
I remember
Oh
when
my
he
God.
was a stand-in for heroic.
Obama?
One of the there was a tournament in Belarus, and heroic. They didn't have Savi or Savin. They didn't have Savin, so Obama had to fill in for Savin.
Yeah. True. Obama. Mobama.
True.
Oh my god. Tessa is, let's go. Falcons #1 player so far. Choco, penis guy. How much is the gold penis? $2. It is by far the worst capsule. It's just like Don't Gold or nothing.
Or Nico or Don.
Yeah. We're nerds.
Nerd.
I love nerds.
Nerd Hollow.
True. Oh my god. Actually, it's
I like how like one of the heroic players didn't even like make a signature. He just made like a
yeah,
treble
circle.
clef, bro. He hit a
Yeah,
treble clef.
made a treble clef. You and I signed with my treble clef.
True.
Yo, Joker.
I'm so curious. That's an OG reference. That's an OG John reference.
Yeah. If you don't get it, you should go back and watch every single individual one of our videos.
Multiple times.
Multiple times.
And,
And
like,
comment.
and
Yeah.
comment.
And like subscribe and then like have all your oh my
Fuck!
god. That would have been $2 in my pocket, bro. God.
It's also probably because like this is probably the like signature task where people are opening the most.
That's what I'm
because of the
saying.
Donkey.
Yeah. So just everything else is down in price. This is the worst one to open by far. God. God. Let's go.
Treble clef.
Treble
Yeah,
clef.
treble clef. Doesn't even really look like one, but yeah.
Oh, more like a bass clef.
True.
Let's go. Almost done. Really enjoyed opening these with you guys.
Yeah.
Sharing this with my junk heads.
See, at Doctor CS, you guys aren't just our viewers or our audience. We're a family.
Yeah.
Right?
We're a whole
You guys are
Jocker
like our
family.
kids.
Yeah.
Or our cousins. You guys are like our cousins. That we only see at family reunions.
Yeah.
This one's a winner.
This one's a winner, surely. Got like 10 left.
Please.
Oh, let's go. Got 10 left. Yo, Magic's paper. 1 row left. Yo, Mako. Yo, Joko. Yo, nerds. Yo, Jimmy.
Mr.
Beast. Carl Jacobs.
Girl.
Yeah. Alright, this one's for XQC. Yo, Dawn Paper.
This one's for Own a Pixel.
This one's for Own a Pixel. Oh! Homie! What's that? Shuhei! That's
Bro.
the last one on Mouse. That's his last one for Mouse. He's gone.
At least
$1. At least $1. $3!
I'm surprised it's only $3.
That's so fucking disappointing.
It'd be way more.
That is, if it was in a different capsule, it'd be so much more. That's really upsetting.
Okay, wait, who's this one for? Obama. This one's for Obama.
This is for Obama. This is for the Kunduz Hospital.
This is for the Kunduz Hospital.
Yeah, this is for reparations. Let's go. Alright, well, we'll be putting it in here. This is what we got so far beforehand. Got some bangers in here. So, anyway, that's about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Papa Booey.
Papa Booey.